welcome to my channel Priyanka's Whip Cure. I am Priyanka Thakur. I would like to welcome you all of you at my channel. So basically हम जब भी कोई एंट्रेंस फॉर्म फिल करते हैं, किसी कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेते हैं या हम कहीं पर कुछ भी इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो हमें उसकी नॉलेज होना ज़रूरी है. जैसे आप लोग अपना टाइम, अपना प्यार, अपना सपोर्ट मेरे चैनल को और मुझे इन्वेस्ट करोगे तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मेरा चैनल किस चीज़ के ऊपर है. As you all know, Vibgyor is a combination of 7 colors of rainbow, where V stands for violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. But here we have little bit different definition of Vibgyor, but still I'll try to make your life colorful with my Vibgyor. In my Vibgyor, V stands for, as you can see, vlog and haul. So I'll try to explore every website, either fashion or makeup, every street market for you guys, so you have gained better knowledge for products, for dresses. As you all know, now Shein is banned, so I have some new websites where you can purchase affordable and cheap clothes as well, and I have many ideas in my mind regarding vlog and haul. So let's proceed to next. So हमारा I stand for India tour. Basically, hashtag vocal for local. Yeah. As you all know, I am very attached to my country. I just love my country. I know you all love our country. So basically, as you all know, recently our economy goes down because of COVID-19 and many more other factors. So I decided in this video, I will explore every state, maximum cities of our country. I have already explored many states like Maharashtra. I have been in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Uttarakhand, Himachal, Telangana, and especially Uttar Pradesh. It's my state, and many more states I already explored it. I will share my experience with you later in my upcoming videos. But here I would like to explore every स्टेट, एवरी सिटी ऑफ माई कंट्री. सो आई विल, जिससे मैं आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दे पाऊँ. गाइस लुक, मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि हमारी इंडिया में इतनी ज़्यादा सिटीज़ और इतनी ज़्यादा स्टेट्स, मतलब हमारा इंडिया इतना बड़ा है कि अगर हम अपनी पूरी लाइफ भी आई थिंक अगर स्पेंड कर दें तो हम एक्सप्लोर शायद ना कर पाएँ अगर हम एक एक सिटी की बात करें. सो हम बाहर क्यों जाते हैं जब हमें हर चीज़ यहाँ मिल सकती है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि गोइंग आउट ऑफ कंट्री फॉर योर tour, travel or your trips is bad, but I have some different opinions. So here we will explore our India because we know vocal for local. So let's proceed to our next color, and what is that? That is B. VIB, whip. B for Bhakti. As you can see, we have V for Bhakti. In rainbow colors, B stands for blue, but we have Bhakti because my love Kanha. जितने भी मेरे friends हैं, families हैं, everybody knows that I am a very religious person. I seriously love Kanha ji very much. I don't know why, but I have a very एक ऐसा रिश्ता है मेरा उनके साथ कि मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं किसी प्रॉब्लम में हूँ तो ही विल ऑलवेज बी विद मी. सो इन भक्ति वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट आर टेम्पल्स, आर रिचुअल्स, आर फेस्टिवल्स. एज यू कैन से जन्माष्टमी आने वाली है, सो आई विल डिस्कस विद यू ऑल द रिचुअल्स और ऑफ आर पूजा, कि हमारे यहाँ पूजा जन्माष्टमी पे कैसे होनी चाहिए, क्या जन्माष्टमी पे हुआ था, क्या नहीं हुआ था. बिकॉज आज की जनरेशन इन चीज़ों से थोड़ा सा हटकर चलती है कि नहीं. बट हेयर I will love to add Bhakti in my color of rainbow because without Kanha ji or without Bhagwan ji we are nothing. So this is the part I will include in it, Bhakti. In this you will learn many more things about our religion, about our ritual, about our gods, about our Hinduism, about our temples, everything. I would love to explore and share my experiences with you. Even I will include आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मेरे साथ बहुत सारे चमत्कार हुए हैं या मुझे कृष्ण जी ने आगे दर्शन दिए हैं, बट आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस सो मैनी थिंग्स इन माई लाइफ वेयर आई नीडेड हिम एंड ही विल ऑलवेज बी देयर फॉर मी. So I will share my experiences with you guys. So stay tuned for my Bhakti part. So we have completed 3 parts, which is V for vlog and haul, I for India tour hashtag, vocal for local, and B for Bhakti, where we discuss about our spirituality. Okay guys, so let's proceed to our next segment. And what is it? We have next segment in my video, and that is G. G for grooming. That is everything that girl needs. So what a girl need? We need best skin routines, best hair care routine, best makeup, best dress sense. Many have said dressing sense. There is a no word like a dressing sense. Dressing means like we have doing bandage if we got injured, so it's a dress sense. Yes, we need only these things. So I'll try to make sure that you will do your makeup with less products. ऐसा हो जाता है मेरे साथ. मेरे काफ़ी फ्रेंड्स कहते हैं प्रियंका इतना मेकअप नहीं होता है, और हमें कन्फ्यूज़न हो जाती है कैसे कैसे करें, और फिर वो बहुत ज़्यादा केकी सा लगने लगता है. कॉलेज जाओ तो सब टॉन्ट करते हैं इतना मेकअप लगा. आई एम नॉट सेइंग हैवी मेकअप इज़ अ बैड थिंग. लाइक इट्स डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. आप कैसे कंफर्टेबल हो ये आप पर डिपेंड करता है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि हैवी मेकअप बेकार चीज़ है, बट हियर आई एम ट्राइंग टू सेइंग गाइस कि आपको मैं दोनों तरह से बैलेंस करना सिखा दूंगी. इफ़ यू वांट टू गो with less products, you can do with your makeup with less product. If you want to do your heavy makeup, I will also teach you how to do your heavy makeup. Here I am not applying any foundation, any concealer, any primer, but still I think I am look okay with it. Okay guys, so I'll teach you in the both way how to do your heavy makeup and as well how to do your makeup with less products. Second, let's proceed to in our grooming section. We have its hair care routine. As you can see, my hair are so nice. I love my hair personally. So I'll teach you आप अपने बालों की ग्रोथ कैसे बढ़ाएं, अपने बालों को की विथ कैसे बढ़ाएं, अपने बालों को थिकन्स कैसे करें, आपका स्किन केयर रूटीन. मैंने बहुत लोगों से सुना है, बोलते हैं कि हमें अर्ली एज में ग्रे हेयर हो गए हैं, हमें अर्ली एज में ही रिंकल्स आ जाते हैं. सो आई टीच यू हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर face, your hands. As you can see, I'm not saying that I have a very fair complexion, or I'm not saying that I have very fair complexion, but I'm okay with my complexion, and I'm not saying dusky complexion is bad. Everyone is should get comfortable with their complexion. Guys, skin care का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आपको गोरे होना है. गोरा काला कुछ नहीं होता. ये नहीं है कि आपको गोरा होना है तो आप स्किन केयर कर रहे हो. नहीं, हम जो कपड़े लेकर आते हैं, हम कपड़े पहनते हैं, ऐसा तो नहीं है ना हम कपड़े पहन के फेंक देते हैं. नहीं. और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि हम कपड़ों को वॉश इसलिए करते हैं कि वो न्यू लगे, या उनकी केयर करते हैं कि वो हमेशा नए नए पहले जैसे कि हम बेचने जाएँ तो उतने भी नहीं. ऐसा नहीं होता. या फिर हमारी गाड़ी है, हम सिर्फ इसलिए ध्यान रखते हैं उनका कि जैसे हमारे पास जो चीज़ है वो वैसे ही रहे. ऐसे ही हमें अपनी बॉडी का, अपनी स्किन का ध्यान रखना होता है. गाइस, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि स्किन केयर का मतलब है कि आपको गोरा होना है कोई. So don't take me into that wrong way. I'm just saying that I have my hands and I don't have dark knuckles because I love to take care of my hands. Seriously, अगर कोई मुझसे पूछे तो I never take care of my face. I never do anything on my face. Sometimes it depends on my mood. If I have mood swings, then I'll prefer to take care of my face sometimes. But I am very conscious about my hand care, my feet cares, how to take care of your hands, feet, your complete body, your hair. That is called self love, guys. So I'll teach you how to love yourself in the form of hair care, skin care routines, and your makeup with your dressings. Many people have said to me that कि यार पता है कैसा हो जाता है, कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है हमने ड्रेस ले ली है और उसके बाद पिक्स अच्छी नहीं आई. So I'll teach you how to pose in your dresses. So this, and as well I'll give you some sessions on the PD as well, because I have been in a bank as a post on the manager. So that is all the part of my, that was the part of my training section as well. At the time of when I was in Karnataka, in Bangalore, I have been go through my training in the bank process, but I was never happy with my job. Seriously, I was never happy. I have been in teaching as well. I teach some ICSE's accounts and economics because I was a post-grad in commerce. In master, I had completed my master's in commerce, and I was completed my master with distinctions in many subjects. So I'm not saying that I am very intelligent, yeah, but I have been a topper in many subjects like business studies. I have been a topper in my wings in maths as well. So I'm not saying that I am very intelligent, but yeah, I have been, that was my former career, but I have was never be so happy with it. So I'm here to make you guys love yourself. So my web cure will completely make you fall in love with me and love yourself. So let's proceed to our next segment, and that is why. After G we have a why, and that is yummy dishes. Okay guys, with experiments. जितने भी लोग मुझे जानते हैं, everybody knows that I am not a master chef, but I am a good cook, and I love to do experimenting in dishes. I love to make dishes with less ingredients, or you can say in a minimum time. Like people say, you have only 20 minutes to make a pav bhaji. Yes, I can accept this challenge. I can make pav bhaji in 20 minutes. So basically that will be a कंसेप्ट ऑफ यमी डिशेस में, जिसमें आपको एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करना सिखाऊंगी कुकिंग के साथ, न्यू डिशेस सिखाऊंगी. आपके पास इंग्रेडिएंट्स कम है तो आप कुकिंग कर सकते हो, और उसके साथ साथ हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें इसमें खाते पीते रहेंगे साथ में. ओके, लेट्स प्रोसीड टू ओ. हेयर ओ स्टैंड्स फॉर ऑप्टिमल, वेयर ऑप्टिमल मीन्स बेस्ट. इट इज़ अ सिनोनियम ऑफ बेस्ट, ऑप्टिमल, या. So you will get the best content here. I will try to make sure that you will get everything in my rainbow, in my colors of rainbow, in my web gear. You will get everything. Like as I already mentioned, we have a vlog, haul, India tour, bhakti, grooming, yummy dishes, and last but not the least, we have R as well. So guys, in R we have reuse of things, that is DIY. Yes guys, I will also give a sessions regarding to the DIY, reuse of things, how to make your old things into your new home decor. Yes, you are hearing right. We will make new home decor, your office decor, even your car decor, even your purses. We will decorate your wardrobe. Even my wardrobe is so messy. I never like to, sometimes I feel ठीक है यार, कौन देख रहा है, but कभी कभी मुझे लगता है नहीं, मेरा रूम सुंदर होना चाहिए. So we will use our old things as our DIY of our decors. So that is R stands for. So here my web gear is vlog, haul, India tour, bhakti, grooming, yummy dishes, optimal, and reuse of things, that is DIY. So guys, please like my video and subscribe to my channel and support my channel with your love and your time investment. So I will make new sessions and new videos regarding your all needs, and I promise I will not disappoint you, never. Thank you, and that's it for today. So please remember my channel, that is Web Gear. Priyanka's Web Gear. Okay family, bye bye. Till then, take care of yourself, and I promise within 2 or 3 days, I'll come with my first vlog, and that is Nykaa Hot Pink Sale 2020. Okay guys, bye bye. Take